right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Chevy Trail Boss. The boss of all trails. You know what I'm saying? Trail boss for life. Check it out. This guy wants to get a PA system installed. It's pretty cool. See this thing right here? It's called a PA system. I guess it has like some cool stuff. Tools, traffic. This has like the police siren. Woo! It's gonna be illegal, but walkie-talkie, beep, beep, beep. We got us a 99599er. Okay, 10-4 over there, Roger. That's what he's gonna be doing on the road. Or he could be like, move your busted ass vehicle. All right, we'll see what coaches does right now. What you doing? The PA?
Un PA, DVD, CB, NT.
AT&T. This is the speaker. Oh, this speaker's big, way. It's heavy.
Heavy.
Well, this shit's gonna be loud. This thing weighs like a good 4 pounds, maybe 6. This is the company, X-Bright. Man, this shit's loud as fuck. So what are you doing right now, coach? You trying to find a spot to mount it?
Making a bracket.
Okay.
Put it.
Okay. We're thinking inside there?
Yeah.
In there somewhere? Whoa.
Then bring the light.
Yeah, we need the light.
The flashlight.
No, bring my light. You know what? Actually, this is gonna be a new one. Roll that B-roll of the install, baby.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Cool, man. Did you see how crazy that was? I like how he built that bracket. That was pretty dope. Took him a little over an hour to do that, but hey, that shit came out clean. Up next, we're gonna be mounting the actual receiver. So I think Omar's gonna take that over, okay? Check out Omar do his thing. Tag team, baby.
Vamos a usar ahorita.
So the motion that we're doing is, do you have a siren? Hey Omar, what's up, buddy? Welcome to the crew. You know, your brother did the hardest part, way. You're gonna do the easy one, way. ¿Por qué you get the easy trabajo, way? Omar, you know, you got the plan? This thing gonna go right here, okay? Javier, we want to try to put these.
Huh?
Well, he wants to try to put these, but they don't really fit anywhere. What do you think you have in mind? If we can make something, he said, if we can make a bracket or a plate. He wants to know how much to fabricate it. You see the siren? That thing's full metal, dude. It's like all metal. It's heavy. It's a real police one.
No.
It's louder than yours. It's gonna be louder than yours. Nah, it's pretty loud. It seems loud. I don't know. We'll see.
No.
I'm bringing the dB meter out.
The real police one.
Okay. All right. But you don't got a trail boss.
Huh?
But you don't got a trail boss though.
I don't have a what?
A trail boss.
What is that?
The truck.
¿Es una base? Ajá. Tiene que sacar todo esto. No, no tiene que sacar todo, nomás una base para poder definir.
You got it?
Omar. Yes, sir. Sí, a ver ahorita si puede hacer alguna base para que se detengan ahí.
So you got tasked with doing the with making the bracket?
Sure.
So this is now a 3-man job. How much are you gonna charge for this? So we're gonna watch this man do his thing, and I'm also gonna make a montage of this build. Stick with me, people. We have to do the montage. Let's go. Okay, Omar. Are we gonna be running the cables for this? What are we running cables for?
Inside the bottom.
So we're gonna run the cables for these things. We're gonna now put some lights that go in the grill as well. And he's gonna run the wire for the PA system. And we're gonna run it into the cab. So all these cables gotta run nice and neat down the edge and make it look beautiful, Omar. Look just like your beautiful face.
With your face.
No, my face ugly way. Your face is beautiful. Cool. So we'll come back and check on him. I don't really need to see what the hell he's gonna do here. You guys know. It's gonna go down the line, all the way over there, and inside the cab. We'll be back. Okay, homie. Now what? Dang, Omar. He's getting it going good. That's the harness. You just plug it in and yeah? What'd you put? Power, ground, and the speaker? Wow. Hey, wait. That's the way dice que él hicieron todo. You didn't do nothing.
Sí, güey. ¿Quién lo está haciendo?
What'd you do?
¿Eh?
What did you do?
No, estaba en la oficina firmando cheques.
Ah.
Estaba mirando a
Hasta la plug away. Dang, Omar, look at that shit. Looks dope. Chingón, Omar.
¿Ya?
Yeah. So I don't know if you're okay by cutting that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not gonna be, but the light is gonna look better
Yeah.
inside. Pues así nomás, Omar. Así como te había dicho. Okay. Le cortas ahí en cuanto entre la. Ajá, aquí lo vas a cortar aquí para que entre y aquí a los lados, o aquí nomás le haces un resaltito para que entre que aquí arriba quede así, pero le vas a tener que cortar un poquito aquí abajo para que pueda entrar. De arriba no le toques, nomás aquí. Okay.
You got it, Omar? Okay, we need it done in 10 minutes. Thanks, boss. All right, cool. So they got the plans 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. Check it out, man. Right now he's making this work. It looks pretty cool. Look how the end result is over there. It looks good. Good job, Omar. I think you're better than Cocho. Cocho's better at installing speakers. You're good at the loosest way.
Porque a mí me enseñó Mark.
Marky Mark? From where? DSD? Name drop. Whoa, buddy, they're too close. So that's what it's gonna look like to give you guys an idea. That's pretty cool. Right now it looks like that. That's what it's gonna look like when it's done. Check out how that came out. Wow. That came out nice. I like that. That looks dope as shit. Alright, so Omar's gonna show us how it works. Prende las luces de frente. Yeah. Oh, dope. That looks dope. It came out clean as hell, bro. Oh. Okay. All right. What about when you talk, wait? Talk. Junior, valen vergas, Junior. Oh, make it louder, way. Junior, hello, Junior. Junior. Put the microphone, way. All right, guys, that's the end. I'll see you guys in a bit, man. Peace. What's up, ladies and gents? I gotta say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching the video. Always, I appreciate you guys' comments, your interests, your suggestions. And this was cool. This is not audio related. This was more of, kind of a custom thing somebody wanted us to do. And because we have laser machines and we have all these cool tools that help us do these cool jobs, we were able to accomplish that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was something different. It wasn't the things we always do, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you did like it. We did a lot of B-roll. I did a lot of B-roll in this one instead of time-lapse. I thought it was kind of cool the way they had their tools and the way they used their stuff to make everything work. Junior had to design the bracket, which it was pretty quick, and then they cut it with the laser. It was pretty awesome. These were some lights that the customer brought in. We don't sell them typically, but we can get them. I asked them where they got them, and it's actually a vendor that we carry. So yeah, any questions, hit me up. Any ideas, let me know. I do hear you guys comments about how to install an epicenter. I'll get a video on that soon. Not installed, but it's soon. And comment, like, and subscribe. And man, oh man, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Bye.